We're at Maison et Objet, which is actually the Paris Furniture Show, and we're here with Bentley's Director of Product Design.
Yes.
This does have nothing to do with cars, it has everything to do with the ancillary products that Bentley is now putting out on the market. Here at the show, we are looking at an entire house, room after room of furniture that Danieli has done with the Luxury Living, a very high-end furniture company.
That's right.
What we want to talk about is how does the Bentley car and its ethos translate to furniture?
We believe that actually our cars have a lot to say about living environments because the cars themselves we treat them as living environments. So what we're trying to do here with the furniture, starting with the mass, is obviously to give the same importance and feel of solidity, being grounded and obviously comfort overall with obviously these pieces of furniture. But how we do it at the same time, making sure that they feel dynamic. So for example, in the Minster series, you have a very heavy cushion. The mass starts from touching the ground. The cushion is one mass, and then it's very lightened by a very light expression.
So this arm is like a quick little wing.
Exactly,
Right?
it's a wing that lifts it and gives it a little bit of speed. On the Richmond series, for example, we play the same theme, very heavy cushion, but then the layering of the armrest and the backrest actually gives split material, split color. Again, another way to bespoke the product and lifting its elegance and dynamism.
That layering looks quite a bit like your dash. If you're sitting in a seat looking at the dash, you see the layering.
Yeah.
Now more clearly that I've seen the furniture. So you have this compound curve on this armchair.
Negative, positive, very relevant to our key language. And that's the first read. The second read is actually you can finish the surface in whatever finish you like.
So now we're talking about the fine deals. So tell us about this pattern.
We have a what we refer to as the matrix grille, which is the front grille of the car. Very three-dimensional expression. How can we do that on a cushion? Here it is. It's exactly what it is.
So this little pattern,
that's an interesting one. Do you know where it's coming from?
I do.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, it's normally a finish on metal. It's the engine. The engine turn. And obviously here we're using more typically obviously furniture making, finish embroidery, and with a stitch we replicate exactly the same pattern.
So how do you take this furniture and make different styles for different feelings?
It's part of our bespoke approach. So the same product can look very different if you use different, obviously, leather, fabrics, or the use of wood on a panel.
The wood and leather.
The leather with
pinstripes
as well.
It's not stuffy.
Yeah, exactly.
It's pretty
cool.
It's
very cool. Yeah.
I've seen walls in some of these rooms, leather covered with like mirror between. You've done that as well. So do you see this as the extent of this exercise, or is this business now off and running?
It is off and running, yeah.
I have one more question. There are bees and flying wings everywhere. Can you get all of this without those logos?
You can,
so
absolutely.
It's a little branded for the store right now.
Yeah.
All right,
no problem.
Nice, thank you so much.
Thank you, Gene.
I'm going to that living room.
Let's enjoy.